grand? Yeah, that's me. That's me, the GOAT. But today I'm about to show y'all something. Today we about to get into something. About to show y'all how to make. I want to say this is more of a dream plug. I don't know. I just made some shit up, but this shit hard though. But so I'm gonna try to bear with me. We're gonna show y'all some BPM 135. We're gonna start out with Purity. It gotta be something with some. They gotta have like some I don't know, a little bop to it. Like you gotta feel it like that. I don't know. It gotta have like some type of Gucci bop to it. Yeah, Gucci bop to it. You'll hear it. Now I got another one. Got another one. On to the next, man. I'm sorry, bro. If y'all hear like loud music and shit, man, it's outside this fucking window, bro. Niggas at the door with it. So yeah, if y'all hear that shit, it's from outside. Bitch ass niggas. But here we go, man. This is Purity. A little lead. Make sure I take a picture of this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get the gist to it, bro. And then I'm gonna show y'all the hi-hats, man. We ain't do nothing. Basic little two-step and little rolls in the jump. You got the open hats. Something like claps. It gotta be like, it gotta be uppy. You got the kick. Like, damn. And then you got the snares. Another open hat. I'm gonna let y'all in a secret, bro. An open hat gives you that more of a bounce, so that's definitely good to use. And then another snare. And then open hat. Damn. The chant gives it that band. The chant gives it that band feel. It's like a little extra crisp, bro. So that shit really vibe. That shit the vibes. Yeah. DMV. You know, DMV's finest triangle. And then pretty much it, yo. But I'm gonna show y'all some. I'm gonna show y'all this how this joint really sound like.